Hi friends, today we are going to see about diencephalon. Diencephalon. It is a part of the forebrain which lies above the midbrain. It is located between the lower parts of the two cerebral hemispheres. It occupies the central part of the brain and it is lateral to the third ventricle. It is structurally subdivided into 5 parts: thalamus, hypothalamus, epithalamus, subthalamus, metathalamus. Thalamus. Thalamus is a large egg-shaped mass of grey matter present in the diencephalon. It is a part of forebrain. Thalamus is involved in sensory as well as motor functions of the brain. Topography of thalamus. Thalamus is a part of diencephalon. It is located deep in the forebrain, present just above the midbrain. One thalamus is present on each side of the third ventricle. Its anterior part forms the posterior boundary of the interventricular foramen. The posterior end is expanded and forms a structure called pulvinar. The pulvinar of thalamus overhangs the superior colliculus. The inferior surface of thalamus is continuous with the tegmentum of midbrain. Structure of thalamus. Thalamus is the egg-shaped mass of grey matter and white matter. White matter of thalamus. The white matter of thalamus contains external medullary lamina, which covers the lateral surface, and the internal medullary lamina divides the thalamus into 3 parts: anterior, medial and lateral. The grey matter of thalamus. The grey matter of thalamus contains the anterior nucleus, medial nucleus, lateral nucleus, ventral nucleus, intralaminar nuclei including the centromedian nucleus, the midline nuclei and reticular nuclei. Functions of thalamus. The main function of thalamus is to relay motor and sensory signals to the cerebral cortex. It also regulates sleep, alertness and wakefulness. Hypothalamus. Topography of hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is located just below the thalamus and forms the floor and the lower part of the lateral walls of the third ventricle. Anteriorly, it extends up to the optic chiasma and posteriorly it is continuous with the tegmentum of midbrain. Structure of hypothalamus. The structure of hypothalamus is composed of the cluster of neurons that are arranged into nuclei. The nuclei are divided into 2 groups: medial zone, lateral zone. Lateral zone. Lateral zone of hypothalamus contains the following nuclei: the part of preoptic nucleus, the part of suprachiasmatic nucleus, lateral nucleus, tuberomammillary nucleus, lateral tubular nuclei. The medial zone of hypothalamus contains the following nuclei: the part of lateral nucleus, the part of suprachiasmatic nucleus, anterior nucleus, paraventricular nucleus, dorsomedial nucleus, ventromedial nucleus, infundibular nucleus, posterior nucleus. Functions of hypothalamus. The main function of hypothalamus is to link the nervous system to the endocrine system via pituitary gland. Hypothalamus plays an important role in many functions such as releasing hormones, regulating body temperature, maintaining daily physiological cycles, controlling appetite, managing of sexual behavior, regulating emotional responses. Epithalamus. Epithalamus is the dorsal posterior segment of the diencephalon, which includes the habenula and their interconnecting fibers. The main function of epithalamus is the secretion of melatonin by the pineal gland. Functions of the epithalamus is to connect the limbic system to the other parts of the brain. Some functions of its components include the secretion of melatonin and the secretion of hormones from pituitary gland by the pineal gland and the regulation of the motor pathways and emotions. Subthalamus. Subthalamus is the most ventral part of the diencephalon. It lies in between the thalamus and the midbrain. The largest division of the subthalamus is the subthalamic nucleus that is involved with the integration of somatic motor functions. The epithalamus can be divided into the pineal gland and the habenular nucleus. Metathalamus. It consists of medial and lateral geniculate bodies, which are situated on each side of the midbrain below the thalamus. Medial geniculate body, which is situated below the pulvinar of thalamus and the lateral to the superior colliculus. Lateral geniculate body, situated anterolateral to the medial geniculate body below the thalamus.